Welcome back, y'all. What's going on? My name is Zakia. If you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. All right, so today, as you can see, we are doing another what I eat in a day, and we're starting off today with a protein bowl. So as you can see, there's gonna be potatoes, sausages, peppers, mushrooms, boiled eggs. Y'all know I'm not with the eggs, but I'm gonna do boiled eggs for some extra protein, and some baby kale. So let's go ahead and get started.
Tonight is on a island. It's about time for waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around, find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Calorie credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City.
All right, y'all, so the total for that breakfast bowl is 30.1 grams of protein, 440 calories, 20.4 grams of fat, and 43 grams of carbs. So that's a good protein bowl. If you're not into scrambled eggs, or you're tired of scrambled eggs and easy up and all, sunny side up eggs, then that's a good go-to to make sure you get your protein in, and to make sure you get a nice lower calorie for breakfast. So I know that look good to y'all. I'm about to tear that up, and I'll see y'all for lunch. All right, y'all, so now we're about to make a crunch wrap supreme. So if you've ever been to Taco Bell, you've had their crunch wrap supreme. This is pretty much the same thing, but more a high protein type of way because of the wrap. So I'm using the Joseph lavash bread, and the entire flat bread is 12 grams of protein in itself. So let's go ahead and get started.
And they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Is that
Let her run work cause you shot. The whole roll up you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head and float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go.
Alright y'all, so what y'all think about that Crunchwrap Supreme? The only thing that I didn't do was add the sour cream inside the Crunchwrap, which is how they do it at Taco Bell, and I forgot my taco seasoning and the taco hot sauce, but it's all good. But the lunch is 520 calories, 48.2 grams of protein, 26.1 grams of fat, and 35.3 grams of carbs. So this is really high in protein, and this is actually filling. I had this before. I was full for a very long time. So if y'all trying to make that, please do, because that's a good one. But I'm gonna go ahead and tear that up, and then I'll see y'all for dinner. All right, y'all, so now we back with dinner. I'm going to make Asian chicken lettuce wrap. So you'll see how I make it. Now the sauce is already made, but I'll put the ingredients on the screen here. And then that way, you know, you'll have all of the different measurements for the sauce. But trust me when I say this sauce is so bomb. Oh my gosh, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started on this meal.
Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China. Favorite.
All right, y'all, so that about wraps up our what I eat in a day. So that meal was, now I forgot to tell y'all, I don't count vegetables like the green peppers and the bell peppers and the mushrooms, lettuce. I don't count that in my calories. You can, but I really don't. So look, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but majority of the time I don't. So really I'm just counting the chicken and the sauce. So the total for that was 270 calories. The sauce, all I did was type in like Asian sauce, and I did about 3 or 4 tablespoons. So that was 45.5 grams of protein, 1.1 grams of fat, and 17.2 grams of carbs. And then I'm gonna have this light and fit cheesecake. Light and fit cheesecake, protein, yogurt, and that's 12 grams of protein in that. So actually I went over my protein by 3 grams, which is perfect. So there you have it, another what I eat in a day, another 3 meals and a snack that you can have to eat to reach your protein goal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, and I had a chocolate chip cookie, so I did go over my calories, but you know, sometimes it be like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, comment below if you want me to make anything specific, and I'll see you guys in my next one.